Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate Tesla Camp Mode. To begin, simply tap the fan icon on your Tesla's touchscreen to open the climate controls. From there, look for the camp icon, which resembles a small tent. Tapping this icon will initiate camp mode, preparing your vehicle for a comfortable overnight stay. It's a straightforward process designed for quick setup. Once camp mode is active, you can easily customize your environment. The climate control screen allows you to set your desired temperature, ensuring a cozy cabin. You can also adjust the fan speed to maintain comfortable airflow. Furthermore, you have full control over the interior lighting, letting you create the perfect ambience for relaxation or sleep. Camp mode is designed to keep your cabin comfortable while providing entertainment. It maintains the climate control, ensuring a pleasant temperature and airflow throughout your stay. You can also access your Tesla's entertainment system, enjoying movies, music, or games. Remember to keep an eye on your battery level, as continuous use of climate and entertainment features will consume power. When you're ready to leave camp mode, simply tap the camp icon on your touchscreen once more. This will deactivate the mode, and your Tesla will revert to its standard operating settings. Before driving off, always ensure all windows are fully closed and doors are securely latched. It's a quick and easy way to transition back to regular driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.